from States and Wingstop. Had him behind the camera. This guy, we resurrected him in the woods. Now he's here. So, and right now we're doing a classic fucking around at Walmart.
Mr. Beast number 2. Don't make it so long.
This is Mr. Beast. Come to the front desk if you want $50.
Yeah, because I did not expect it to work. You didn't fucking like take advantage of the time. Well, I was fucking like, holy shit, this is working, and I forgot what I was gonna say. That's why you heard me say hello.
Oh, dude.
How did I do that? Almond chocolate?
You're a menace.
Milk chocolate? I don't even know if I want one. Milk chocolate.
Just get OG.
$2 for a single one?
Dude, he's gotta fix all those blind people and deaf people, man. The
Come
fuck?
on.
Dude. Hello, this is Mr. Beast, and we're here at the front giving away everything. Put everything in your card, and I will get it. Mr. Beast.
1, 2, 3! Nah, man, I didn't want to go, bro. Is this shit heavy? How does it fit in the car?
I mean, it's alright. We're getting there. This motherfucker gonna be mad when he wakes up. But I don't give a fuck. Yeah, to the right. I think I said to the right. No, to the right. That's a long way.
Alright, YouTube, we're getting ready for the prank. As you saw from the last clip, we moved our friend's car, Tippet. We're gonna call him Tippet. We moved this car from the house while he was asleep. We got his keys and we moved it and down the block. So that's what you saw. He's about to wake up in about 30 minutes and we're just gonna act dumb and hopefully he thinks his car was stolen. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it should be good. Next clip. Hey guys, we're gonna make some breakfast. Tipperoni woke up. Some oranges. This is what my cameraman likes to eat, get fed in. He edits and cameraman's they were on the desk.
No job that you were going to ask, which
Daddy? Yeah, bro. They did all that.
you're not going to what you do in the bath.
I'm being fucking serious. Y'all know how to fucking drive my car. I'm not fucking being. I'm not. You're gonna fucking see, bro.
Dude, where's your car at?
Oh, nigga.
Bro, where's your fucking car? Where's your
I fucking
car?
see it, bro.
Dude, this is
What the fuck did y'all do, dog? What the fuck? You don't know what the fuck you're doing in my fucking car. I'm gonna slash your fucking tires, bro. You think I'm fucking joking, bro, but I'm not. Did y'all fucking turn it on?
what happened?
I'm being fucking serious, dude.
Okay, you've been pranked.
I don't give a
Nobody
fuck.
turned
You act
it
like,
on.
nigga, no, stop being
We
dumb.
pushed that hoe.
You did not fucking push it because you need to fucking. Whatever, bro. Swear, dog. Never trust y'all niggas.
We're gonna be honest, dog. We whipped that hoe.
You fucking turned my fucking shit on and something's wrong with it, bro. I swear, dude. You're gonna fucking see, dog. You act like I'm fucking playing with you.
Oh, let me tuck my chain. Maybe a UFO came and just picked it up. Like, you know how they pick up cows?
Cows, Hondas, I can see the same.
Can I at least get a dab? Yeah, dab your
What's
hand.
wrong with my fucking shit, bro? I'm fucking killing y'all niggas, dog.
Hey, you missing something? And just like that, a victim. But he didn't even say like, wait, it's over there. He was just like, oh, I'm so mad. He was just so mad. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Fuck around, don't fuck around, then you fuck around and get smoked. Fuck around, don't fuck around, then you fuck around and get smoked. I'm rolling, all my niggas rolling.